Day for the Bitcoin price. Guys, believe it or not, but Bitcoin is right now preparing for the biggest move in Bitcoin history. I will be talking about in what direction this move is going, what are my price targets, and more importantly, how to trade this specific upcoming move for Bitcoin. Let's go straight into the content and talk about what I'm looking out for Bitcoin right now in the immediate short term. I'm here actually on the go in a car, and the YouTube studio, the mobile YouTube studio, is unfortunately being repaired right now, but this doesn't hold me back to come to you no matter where I am, no matter when I am. So let's talk here now about the Bitcoin price in the immediate short term. Stick here until the very end, where I'm going to share with you my trades and also information about the upcoming YouTube charity live event, where we are going to build at least 2 schools and of course much more. So stick here with me until the very end. Let me go here into the charts, and we are starting here as always on the 4-hourly candles for the Bitcoin price. Let me zoom in a little bit, and as you can see, the Bitcoin price was of course breaking down out of this bearishly biased pattern here, this rising wedge. Unfortunately, however, Bitcoin is here right now in the exact moment building another bullishly based pattern, this falling wedge, and right now we are retesting this. And if you are subscribed to the MMCrypto channel, this shouldn't come with any surprise to you. Let me show you this. So I was talking about this W, which you can only see on the 50-minute candles. I was predicting this breakout, and then we are reaching the $55,000 level. I was predicting that yesterday and the day before. Go and check that yourself. What I was also saying is eventually we are going to go up after reaching the price target and retest the downward sloping resistance of this falling wedge. And well, exactly we did that here. If you are right now, according to my prediction here, in a profitable trade, well, you might as well take some chips from the table. This was a beautiful, almost perfect trade here, because right now we are having this downward sloping resistance, and Bitcoin might get a resistance here, another support at the previous neckline, or in the world, like in a bad case scenario here, in this support box among the $51,000 levels, or even at the downward sloping support. This is always a possibility, since we are still in the pattern, the volume is still low. Eventually, I think that the chances will be higher to break out of this pattern, whether it's now or whether it's later. I will be waiting for a 4-hourly candle close above, a rejection down, a confirmation, and a break above the previous rejection point. In case this happens, you know the deal, guys. My price target is still, nothing has changed here, the $61,700 price level. And here, guys, very important, once again, if we are breaking down, the price target is $45,000, but the more time passes, the less likely this actually becomes, guys. And I'm actually losing faith for the Bitcoin bears here. Just a second, I'm losing faith for the Bitcoin bears here. It is getting more and more unlikely as the time passes. Let's wait and see what happens here. I want to talk about my trades as well. First of all, I want to know from you in the comment section down below. First of all, smash up the like button. I forgot that already. If you want more of these videos on the go, no matter where I am. And now let me know in the comments, do you think we are going to break out or going to break down from this falling wedge? That would interest me. I will go down and read at least like 20 comments and answer some of them. So please, guys, go down and let me know. Let me talk quickly about my trades. Of course, I have my trade open here over on Fimex, $2.2 million. I have, you can see it on the top left corner, and I have that open because Bitcoin, well, on the 4-hourly, on the daily, we went into a downtrend, but on the 4-hourly, on the hourly, but on the daily, on the weekly, we are still in an uptrend. And this is a daily and weekly trade. That's why I'm not closing it down yet. When this changes, I will update you. I have 4 trades in total. And if you want to be trading on Bybit or Fimex as well, in the pinned comment down below, if you click these links after your initial deposit, you get $700 for free. You can trade with this free bonus and with the profits from this free bonus, from this free trade as well. So you take advantage of that link in the pinned comment. If you use it right now, you are eligible for all future bonuses by using our link down below. Now let me talk quickly about the charity event before I'm talking about my eventual price target here for April. So stick here with me until the very end, guys. This is very important, and this certainly goes to my heart. Before I'm going into that charity stuff, man, this is also important, but it's about the 4th of April. Stay here with me, guys. It really goes to my heart. So this was first of all in 2018. I forgot this content point. The Visa CEO back then, I was around. He was saying we won't process transaction in Bitcoin because it's not a payment system. News were just breaking. Visa is working to enable Bitcoin purchases. Come on. Let's go on. 2020, Goldman Sachs lists 5 reasons why Bitcoin is not an asset class nor a sustainable investment. Well, news were just breaking. Exclusive Goldman Sachs restarts cryptocurrency desk amid Bitcoin boom. Well, let's continue. 2017, JP Morgan Chase. Bitcoin is a fraud and will blow up, says JP Morgan's boss. Well, just a few days ago, JP Morgan says investors could make Bitcoin 1% of portfolios as a good hedge against inflation. Well, nice. Morgan Stanley here. It was saying in 2017, it doesn't end, man. Bitcoin's real value could be zero. Morgan Stanley analyst says, well, just a few days ago, news were breaking. Morgan Stanley becomes the first big US bank to offer its wealthy clients access to Bitcoin funds. And I mean, guys, it couldn't get more obvious. Let me quickly go back here. It couldn't get more obvious than this. First they ignore you, first they laugh at you, then they ignore you, then they fight you, and then you win. I think we won, guys. This is truly a nice moment to see all of these people FOMOing into Bitcoin when we were the smart people being in before that time period. Let me now jump here into that topic here about the charity event. This is Manuel, amazing person, and he is actually organizing the schools we are building. We are building in schools. We are building in Mexico. Me, Mo, and we want to get some other YouTubers in schools in Mexico, and we want to raise funds for that. I am going to donate money from my own pocket. Mo is going to donate money from his own pocket as well. I will donate at least $50,000, and of course, we are going to do this charity event on the 4th of April, and I would love to see every single one of you there. Even if you don't want to donate, it's gonna be a blast. If you want to donate $1, this is 1/10 of a table for a child in Mexico. Come on, $1, right? So that would be amazing. Please join us over there. I will show you a little bit of footage here of that specific school we are going to build over there. Unfortunately, you have to re-record it because there's like copyright music. But you can see here the guy with the beard is our friend. And here's the neighborhood of the school. There you can see all the children. They are already getting a little bit educated there, but there's just no school, no building, nothing where they can look at this. So heartwarming, man. Honestly, that's amazing. So, yeah, we are going to build a school there. That's school number 1. And here, so this was the first school. The guy with the beard is our friend, and this is the second school we are going to build. So we already found 2, but we have much more charity projects actually, because in the end of the day, let's say we have like 400,000 people watching, and 1% of them donates $1,000. Only 1%, every 100 person. That is $4 million. So we can potentially build like 100 schools or so. This is truly gonna be amazing. Make sure you're not missing out on that. Big shout out to Manuel, who's managing that over there in Mexico, helping us a bit with that as well. So thank you everyone for watching until the very end. That was a truly important one. That was a truly special one. Let's see what Bitcoin is going to do here in the immediate short term. And with that being said, guys, we will see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. As always, guys, as always, bye bye.